Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 4. A stone and a feather are dropped from the same height above the Earth's surface. Ignoring air resistance, which of the following is correct? A. The stone and feather will both reach the ground at the same time. B. The stone will reach the ground first. C. The feather will reach the ground first. D. The feather will be blown away by the wind, while the stone will drop steadily. Now, there are some things to take note of here, okay? First, you are looking at acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. So, now, you have two objects, a stone and a feather, okay? Now, another thing to note is that they both have what? Different masses, okay? So, obviously, the stone is heavier than the feather, and they are dropped from same height above the Earth's surface. Okay, now we are asked to ignore air resistance. Now this is the crucial part of the question. Ignore air resistance. Okay, so without air resistance, what will happen? Now we said something about acceleration due to gravity. Now basically acceleration due to gravity is constant. Acceleration due to gravity is constant in the sense that every object you drop above the Earth's surface will fall at a particular acceleration, will fall at a downward acceleration that is constant, okay, irrespective of the object. So it is constant irrespective of the mass of the object. Okay, so this means that even if you drop a pin and a ball, okay, if you drop a pin and a ball, irrespective of the mass of these two different objects, they will fall at this constant downward acceleration, okay, and that acceleration is approximately 9.8 meters per second square. Okay, 9.8 meters per second square. Some approximate it even to 10 meters per second square, but that acceleration is constant. Now if the acceleration is constant, that means the change, okay, in velocity, or the velocity in general, will be constant, okay, because acceleration is a measure of the rate of change of velocity with time. So if they are falling at the same velocity, or as many will call it, as the same speed, that means they will reach the ground at the same time, okay, in an ideal environment. And in this case, in the question given to us, it is an ideal environment because air resistance is absent. So since there is no air resistance, it will fall, okay, under the influence of what? Of the acceleration due to gravity, and will fall at the same velocity. So that means that they will reach the ground. This means that they will reach the ground at the same time. Now remember, we said this happens irrespective of the mass of the object. Okay, so having established that they will reach the ground at the same time, that is what is seen here in option A. The stone and the feather will both reach the ground at the same time. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.